Hi, I am Reshmi Kiran and my business is hydroponics and I also do decorations for hire. To run my own business, I am my own boss. I take my own time. I started my business to support my family, that was decoration for hire. By participating in AWE, I have a lot of developments came in. I can manage my business well now. And before I just started my business without a plan. Today I have a plan. Since I have started doing this course, AWE course, I am more vocal today and I am more developed. And also, like before I was staying in the house. Today I have friends all around. The women at AWE, we share our ideas together and we help each other to run our business well. I am grateful to be part of this AWE course and in my life it has brought a lot of impact. I'm growing day by day as an individual. I advise all the business women, nothing is impossible to make your dream come true.